Another bad thing on this car is, guys, all the repair jobs on this car are very expensive. They're overly expensive, and the parts are expensive as well, extremely expensive. So I had to replace the turbo. They were looking for 4 grand just for the turbo alone, before any labour. And I was thinking, what the, might as well get rid of the car. It's too expensive, that. So then I got the turbo done from a specialist. I got the turbo done by my mate and his garage. So I got it a lot cheaper done. And yeah, after taking on that car job, they didn't want to work on any BMWs anymore of this series, because it's a headache of a job. They had to drop everything to get to that one turbo. They had to drop the subframe, the suspension, the exhaust, the engine had to be lifted. It was crazy. It's overly engineered, guys. So that's why these repair jobs, these small things, become big jobs, because of the bad engineering at the front end of the engine, guys. Even with the timing chain and stuff, they're in the back of the engine. On this one, it's not terribly bad, but on some other designed engines by BMW, you have to lift the actual engine out the engine bay just to get to the timing chain, because it's at the back. This one is also at the back, but it's accessible, but you'll have to take off the oil pan at the bottom. So if the oil pan's coming off at the bottom, everything else is coming off at the bottom as well. That's the issue again. So yeah, it's going to be big jobs.